Have you ever stopped to ponder why life often feels akin to a journey rather than a destination? The answer is simple yet profound. The essence of life lies not in the final outcome, but the experiences that shape us along the way. Think about it this way. Imagine you're an artist, and life is your canvas. Each stroke of your brush represents an action, a decision, an event, an experience. Some strokes are bold and vibrant, symbolizing the moments of joy, success, and triumph. Others may be faint and delicate, reflecting times of calmness and tranquility. And then there are those strokes that are jagged and rough, depicting the trials, the failures, and the hardships. In the end, it's not just about that final masterpiece, but each stroke that went into creating it. It's about the lessons learned, the skills honed, and the person you've become through the process. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, the famed inventor. He made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. But did he view these as failures? No. He saw each unsuccessful attempt as a step closer to success. It was the journey, not just the destination, that mattered to him. Life, like Edison's countless experiments, is filled with risks. Stepping outside of your comfort zone, trying new things, and embracing the unknown are all part of the journey. It's in these moments of uncertainty and risk that we grow the most. Picture a ship in a harbor. It's safe there, but that's not what ships are built for. They're designed to brave the open seas, to navigate through storms, and to explore uncharted territories. Similarly, we're not meant to remain stagnant in life. We're meant to experience, to learn, to grow. There will be highs and lows, triumphs and failures, but remember, these are all part of the journey. Rather than being disheartened by failures, learn from them. Persevere in the pursuit of your dreams, and never stop believing in your capabilities. After all, the only limits that exist are the ones you impose on yourself. Setting goals, breaking them down into manageable steps, and visualizing your success are crucial aspects of this journey. Surrounding yourself with positivity and taking consistent action towards your dreams is equally important. Celebrate your victories, however small they may be, and remember to enjoy the journey. In the grand scheme of life, you only get one shot, so make it count. Don't let a single moment go to waste. Embrace every opportunity with open arms and never take anything for granted. In summary, life is a journey filled with experiences that shape us. It's about taking risks, stepping outside your comfort zone, and embracing the unknown. It's about learning from your mistakes, persevering in the face of adversity, and believing in your capabilities. It's about setting goals, taking action, and celebrating your successes. Above all, it's about making the most of every moment. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the destination, but the journey that truly matters. Enjoy the ride, and make every second count.